To create QR codes for Flora under Eco Club for Mission LiFE's celebration of Earth Day on the 22nd of April 2025, school heads or Eco Club teacher in charge may follow the steps to create static QR codes for the activity. One will need a PC or laptop or any smartphone to go about with the process of creating the QR codes. There are a number of websites and apps which can be used for the same, but one can use the one we are about to use for the demonstration, which is QR Code Monkey. First, go to the website. Select the text option, and on the space given below, one can type the information about the tree or plant selected, or copy and paste the information from a previously created document. After that, one can customize the QR code as they please with the given options of color, incorporating a logo, or other design customizations. Once these steps are done, one can select the Create QR Code option. Once the code is created, you can now download the QR code generated by selecting the Download PNG option. One can view the QR code generated, and this can be used for the activity.